My dude, sales is the oxygen to your business, and most entrepreneurs suffocate their business because they don't execute the tip I'm about to share with you. So the sales hack I'm going to share with you is about belief. It's about passion. It's about a full conviction towards what you're selling. And for me, the thing that has served me so well throughout my career is I've always been a product of my product. I've went through that process. I've gained the result. I've overcome the pain and the challenge, and I've came out brilliantly on the other side, and that's what created the passion and belief to be able to share that with other people. And I grew up an overweight kid. I was chubby. I was 15 pounds of body fat, 15 pounds less of skeletal muscle mass in my body, and because of that, I suffered with depression and not being confident and not having the enthusiasm and energy. In fact, one point it got to me where I was probably about 18 or 19, and I was at a pool party with one of my buddies. My buddy calls me out and says, "Bryce, it looks like you have islands for nipples." And still to this day, I don't know exactly what he meant, but I got the gist that I had an undeveloped chest, and it was already self-conscious about my physique and my body because of being overweight. But that was the pain that struck to my body that really got me motivated to take fitness seriously. And that's led me to my fitness journey, led through my transformation. And it changed my life. It inspired me so much that it made a lot of sense to open a Fit Body Bootcamp location so I could give that gift of health, of fitness back to others. I'm a product of my product, and that passion, that belief has led me to become a 5-location owner, become the vice president, and now the CEO of an international fitness brand, so we can give back the gift of fitness, solve pain points, solve challenges in other people's lives. And that is where the fitness, that's where the passion, and that's where the belief has been derived. So by far, that is the number one sales hack that's going to help you on your journey. So to make this come full circle, my friend, if you do not love what you do, if you are not passionate about the product and service you offer, if you are not a product, you're a product that has seen it through, that's gotten the transformation, that received the success, you're not going to have that belief. You're not going to have that enthusiasm. You're not going to be able to transfer that emotion. And because of that, you're not going to have the impact that you're destined to have.